Hey guys, welcome back. And the next option today that we need to understand and very important in terms of data is the sorting option. Now, again, as I told you earlier, we'll first see how we can sort data in various ways that are available. And then post that, we'll see the various options that are available within sort, which you can use to sort your data. Okay. So let me show you the options first. So you need to go to the Home tab once again. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Within the Home tab, we have this editing group within which we have this sort and filter command. If you click on the sort and filter command, you'll get the various options. So you want to sort it whether from oldest to the newest, or the newest to the oldest, or you want to have a custom sort. If you click on custom sort, you will get this option. We'll check on these options subsequently once we see all the various ways in which you can get to the sorting of data. Yeah. So this was one option. Second option was through the data tab, which is again available on the ribbon. Within a ribbon, you have the sort and filter, where we have this two options for this is for ascending sort. So this particular option is for ascending sorting. This is for descending. Yeah. And if you click on this sort, you will get this window once again, which we saw earlier. Okay. Now again, the keyboard shortcuts to access this same ribbon is through Alt H, and you click on S to get to the sort options. So I click on S, yes. So from oldest to newest, I click on S again. From newest to oldest, again, this is descending order. So this is ascending when you're talking about oldest to newest. Yeah, and you have the custom sort. If you click on U, you will get the custom sort. Same way, if we click on Alt A, which will take you to the data tab, then you can have the ascending SA to have your ascending sort. And you again, if you go to SA, that is SD for descending sort. Okay, by default, it sorts the first column, but we can do sorting on various columns as you want it to be. Yeah. So this is how you can access the same options using the keyboard. Yeah. Another way to sort your data is just select the data, right click on it, and you have the sort option. Same way as we had for filter, you can see there are various filters available. Okay. I can sort it using the various options which are available. Again, this is ascending sort, this is descending sort. Put selected cell color on top. We'll see how we can do it for various colors as well. Yeah. Put selected font color on top, put cell icon on top, or custom sort. So these three options we have already seen, which is sort oldest to newest, sort newest to oldest, and custom sort. These three options, put selected cell, color, font, and icon, are available on your filter command. So if I try to apply a filter here, yeah, I have applied the filter, and if I click on the arrow, you will get these three options here, where again, there is another option that has been added, that is sort by color. So if I want to sort the entire data, the rep data, so the rep data is where we have all the colors. So if I want to sort the rep data by color, and I want to sort it by blue, so blue comes up first. So you can see this. So blue has come up, wherein the data has got sorted by the way of color. If I want to sort it by font red, I can do that as well. So the font red is now up on the list. Same way, I can have custom sort for colors. which will open the same window. We'll explore this window one by one. Okay. So these are the various ways. So we saw 4 ways. First was through the home tab. Second was through the data tab, which is available on Ribbon. Third was through the keyboard shortcut. Fifth was through the filter options that are available. Sixth was through the right click option. If you right click on the data, you have the sort options that are available to sort your data. Now let's explore the custom sort. So when I'm talking about, let me now first explain what sorting means. So if I have this data selected, I need to first select the data which I want to sort, right? Then I can have it ascending. So if I directly click on ascending, it will use the first column always to ascend, click, or to sort your data in ascending or descending manner. Yeah. If you do not specify any column, it will automatically assume the first column has to be sorted, and accordingly it will sort the column. You can see ascending, that means January, February, March, this is being sorted. So if I select the data from region, it will select the region as the first column and it will sort it. So if it will sort the region, you can see C is coming first, E is coming afterwards according to ABCD. Suppose I put it in descending sort. So it will start from Z. So W is the last thing that we had. So it has sorted it accordingly. Yeah. Same way, if I try to select numbers here and I try to sort ascending and descending, it will first see it has sorted the numbers in an ascending order. Same way, descending order, it has sorted the numbers in a descending order based on the units. Okay. So whichever column you select will be in ascending or descending order depending what you select. Now, there is a very important point that you need to remember. Suppose you have selected only one column. Suppose I have selected only the item column. And if I try to sort this column, it will give you this message. Why? Because all this data, suppose all these items are associated with other columns. So this particular pen, yeah, was being sold by Gill, and it is number of units 95. So this entire record is related to this particular pen which we are trying to sort. Now, if I continue with the current selection, only this item will be sorted and all your data will be incorrect. Because it was pen previously which was being sold 95 units. Now it has become binder, which is incorrect. Your data has got all messed up. So while sorting the data, you need to be very, very careful whether you're sorting one column or you're sorting the entire data. So you need to see to it that if I say expand the selection, it will automatically expand the selection and do the sorting for all the columns which are available so that your other data also gets sorted along with this item. Okay, this is very, very important to note because if you do not expand the selection, only this column will be sorted and all the related data will get messed up. Yeah, so be very careful. Now, let's get on to the main window of sort, that is custom sort. So let's understand these options one by one. This particular window is specifically used when you want to have multiple sorts. So suppose I want to sort on date and also on the item. Yeah. So I want to first sort on the date. So it will sort the date and then within dates, it will sort on the item. Yeah. Or it will sort. Let me see if I have anything else. So in February, I have 81, March 75. Let me have something else. So let me make this 75 to 85, 95, 100. So I want to sort and let me make this 15 March. Okay. Okay, got it. So I want to sort this date in ascending order, which is already there, but I want to sort the units in descending order. So how do I do that? That's why I need to go to sort, which will open this custom sort item. I need to first select the first item or the first field on which I want to select my data or sort my data. So I want it to be sorted on order date first, where I want my dates to be sorted from oldest to the newest. Okay, so in ascending order. So I'm saying value, not on cell color, font color, or cell icon. Then I want to sort the data on the units sold. Yes, so I want to sort the units sold descending order. I can do that. How I do that is I need to add a level. So I'll add a level which will ask me to sort then by. So which other column you want to sort by? So I want to sort it by units. And I want to sort it by the largest to the smallest. So 100 has to come up and 75 has to go down here. So as soon as I click on OK, you'll find my date has got sorted based on the order date, and my units have got sorted in descending order. So in on 15th March, 100 has gone up, whereas 95, 85, 75, 60. So it is in a descending order. Okay. Yeah. So this particular, so what we have done here is we have sorted this entire data on multiple levels. Yeah, I can add more levels. So I can say add, I can get this down. There are two arrows which are available here, which will help me to take my levels up or down. So suppose this empty level, I want to take it down. So I'll just click on down arrow, which will move this particular thing down. So I want it to sort on region now. So I'll say region. I want it A to Z, because why it is saying A to Z? Because it is a text column. Yeah. Region is a text column. Unit was a number column, since it was asking me largest to smallest. Date was asking me oldest to newest. Okay. So the nomenclature also changes for this order. This nomenclature you need to have a look at is also changes according to the kind of data type that you have here. Yeah, for order date, it is oldest to newest or newest to oldest. For units, it is largest to smallest or smallest to largest, depending on ascending or descending that you take. For region, it is from A to Z because it is a text column. Hence, it is A to Z or Z to A. Okay, I'll just remove this. So I've selected region. I say OK, and it will sort the regions as well based on the column that we have selected for the sorting. Okay, suppose now I do not want region to be deleted, to be selected for sorting. So I'll just select that particular level and I'll say delete level. And I'll say, okay, so the sorting is removed for that particular column. Okay, I go back to this. Suppose I want to copy this level. I want this units to be copied. So I'll say copy level. So it will copy the same level at once again. Yeah. And if I want to change it, suppose I want to sort it by rep name. Yeah, again, it is asking me Z2A or A to Z. So I say descending, which is Z2A. And I'll say, okay. You can see the names are also sorted Z2A. So it will first sort date, then the units, and then the rep name according to the selection that we have done for the sort. So we are doing it by order date, then units, and then by rep name. Okay. These two arrows again, if you want any of the criterias to move up or down, you can use it. Yeah, there are various options that are available if you want to do the sort based on being case sensitive or sort top to bottom. We can do that. We normally not use it. These options are enough. Another option that you need to explore is you need to see to it that you have this my data has headers column selected. So whenever you have the data with column headers, you need to have this selected. Or what will happen is, I'll show you that as well. Suppose I remove all this sort first. Delete everything. Okay. So I will try to use the sort. Yeah. Currently, it is directly taking the header as the column. Let me remove the filter. It is sort. Yeah. Since I had the filter, it is automatically taking the header as the headers, data headers. So if I remove this data as has headers, and if I try to sort it, it will sort the headers as well. Yeah. So since I have sorted date, so let me have this on which I'll sort it on D column. Yeah. Which has this pencils or the text data. So if I do not say my data as headers, it will sort my header as well. So see my header has gone down somewhere, which is incorrect. I do not want my header to be sorted for any data. So that's why while sorting, you need to see to it that this is checked when you have the data headers in place. Yeah, so that this does not get sorted and the other data automatically gets sorted. Moreover, if you click this option, if you do not click this option, it will show you all the columns. But if you click this as the data having an header, it will show you the header column. So by which you will be easily able to sort your columns. Okay. So we have seen this entire box. So add label is to have multi-level sort in your on your data. Delete is to remove any levels. Copy is to copy levels. These two arrows are available to move your levels up or down. Yeah. This is to show that your data has headers. And these are the various sort options that you can use. Yeah. Which column you want to sort by, whether you want it to sort it by value, cell color, font color, or anything else. You can, okay, let me show you font color as well. So if I want to sort the data by font color, so we had rep, okay, rep we had by font color, right? And we can select the color from here. So I want to sort it by red on top or bottom. So if I want the red to go on top, I'll say on top and I'll say, okay. So you see the red font color has come on top. Okay, so pretty easy. So we can see how the data can be used to sort your data based on color. So I can have color, other colors as well. Yeah, on top, if you want to take the green color or the yellow color at the bottom of the cells, I'll say on bottom, I'll say okay. So the yellow color will be at the bottom of the data. You can see it is at the last rows in that data. Yeah, so this is how you can use sort on your data to sort the relevant data. I usually use this to find the top contributors within my revenue or top cell within my data or the top performing employees or the salespeople that I have within the data. Yeah. Okay. And we have also seen how there are various types of sort depending on the data type that you have. Okay. Hope you understood how we can sort a particular data, and there are various methods which can be used to sort the data. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. And yes, comment if you want me to cover any of the topics during this entire 365 days of Excel. Yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you are going to get all my videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.